To sell XYO on Crypto.com, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency trading in the Crypto.com platform. First, create an account on Crypto.com if you don't have one already, and complete the verification process to ensure you can trade without any restrictions. Next, deposit XYO into your Crypto.com account. This can be done by going to the Accounts section, selecting XYO, and clicking on Deposit. You will be given a unique deposit address to send your XYO to. Once your XYO is in your Crypto.com account, navigate to the Trade section of the platform, and select the XYO market you want to trade in. For example, XYO USD. Now, select the Sell option, and choose the type of order you want to place. For example, a market order or a limit order. A market order will sell your XYO at the current market price, while a limit order will allow you to specify the price at which you want to sell. Enter the amount of XYO you want to sell, and review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If you are using a limit order, you will also need to specify the price at which you want to sell. Finally, confirm the transaction, and your XYO will be sold. The funds will be credited to your account, and you can withdraw them to your bank account or use them to trade other cryptocurrencies. It is essential to keep in mind that cryptocurrency trading can be volatile, and the value of XYO can fluctuate rapidly. Always do your own research, and consider your own risk tolerance before making any trades. Additionally, make sure to follow best practices for securing your account, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your password and private keys safe. By following these steps, you can easily sell XYO on Crypto.com and take advantage of the platform's features and benefits. Remember to stay informed and adapt to the changing cryptocurrency market to maximize your gains.